The way that Adam is working through each and every section is by working with both hands, with the palette in the left hand, where he's going to be painting the bleach onto, and then he's going to be working with a pintail comb and the brush in the right hand. Once Adam has taken the first section, he's going to paint some of the bleach onto the palette and then start stroking the brush towards the root and away into the ends. What he's trying to achieve is to saturate the ends with the bleach and then just finely work with the brush to create more of a blended technique in towards the root area. Again, Adam's working those alternate sections from diagonal to horizontal to again create more of a broken up feel with the balayage. He's going to be working in the same technique in the same way, but this time with the horizontal section. What's key when controlling and holding the hair, you can see Adam's really working with lots of tension with his left hand as he's working with the brush strokes. He's going to continue working with this method, working from horizontal to diagonal until he reaches all the way up in towards the crown on side number 1. Once we finish the first side at the back, we're going to move on to the side panel, where we're going to be working horizontal sections from the bottom of the side all the way up in towards the center, where we have sectioned away the hair at the top. Adam's going to be slightly over directing the hair back, which will generally leave a softer blend around the face area. What Adam's going to do is start to weave through the sections as he works into the parting. The weave will get lighter and finer as we ascend up the head shape, to get the finer and more subtle as we reach the top. The shape that Adam is painting on the hair is still going to replicate that triangular shape where it's closer towards the head shape at the root, and as it's in the center of the hair shaft, it becomes further away from the root to create that point of the triangle. And again, as he works down in towards the ends of the hair, it's where it becomes more saturated with the bleach, and he works with the palette to control that. We can see on the final section through the crown area, Adam has the client's head tilted slightly backwards as he's working on the higher up area of the head at the back. It's important that he's able to reach the same angle and work with the same amount of tension as he's working through the bottom part of the head. So to make it easier for the level, you can either pump the chair up or work with the client using the head position with the tilt of the neck. Once the two side panels have been completed, Adam's now going to work through that small box section on the top of the head, where he's going to start by creating a center profile through the top and working with his first section. He's going to create quite a thick section from the center parting, work with some very fine weaving through the center with the pintail comb, and when he gets to the end, he'll then drop the area underneath and work with the bleach through the top area of the head. As you can see, the weaving has become finer as he works through the higher part of each and every section. Now the hair color is really creating a beautiful, healthy shine within the hair, specifically through the roots. Through the ends, we can see the balayage now really breaking up the last third of the hair. So we have that nice, soft, natural color working to frame the face through the front from the center. And then we have everything underneath and through the ends with that beautiful caramel tone working through the rest of the hair. So we have a very beautiful finish on this short balayage that Adam's created. Thank you for watching, guys, and we hope that you've enjoyed this color tutorial. We'll see you on the next one.